Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Internet keeps disconnecting issue. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Exit and restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings, right-click Adapter, click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. Fourth method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Adapter Properties, click Configure. Click Advanced tab, select Speed and Duplex. Change 100 Mbps half duplex or other option 1 by 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.